What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we have some goodies for the 340i. We got some carbon mirror caps and finally the carbon lip for the car. I'm gonna take it out real quick so I can show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna lay it out flat right now on the grass so you guys can see it. So first I'm gonna be opening up the mirror caps so you guys can see how it's gonna look. Sheesh. We got the mirror cap. Looks super clean, bro. Shout out to my boy Daily 335i for hooking it up with the mirror caps and the lip. I'm gonna show you guys the lip right now. He also hooked it up with some LED lights for the trunk. Man, you really gotta ruin my video, bro. Alright, I had to come to the back because that truck literally started cutting up some trees while I started recording, but I got both of these laid out. They look really clean. Again, shout out to my boy. These are like the M style performance caps, I believe. Direct cement. Alright, so we got the lip unwrapped. Super clean. Look at it. Super clean. I think this one's the VARIS style lip. I'm not quite sure if that's what it's called. I think it is. It's the VARIS style. Let's see. Super clean. So yeah, for right now we have these pieces that we have to install. We're gonna install it when my brother gets home from work. So it's nighttime already. He finally got home from work. We got the caps. About to take these off. And then he has the lip over there. Sick ass who got his lip.
Got the lip. Shit about the hard.
Cheers. Let me see. I'm gonna show you guys the rear spoiler that he got. I don't know if you can really see it. Sits clean. About to start popping out the mirror caps. Just gotta find. Alright, so we already took this one off. We're gonna start putting this one on. Simple clips. Just gotta pop it out. Get this one in. Alright, so we have this one on. Fits almost flush, just like maybe this little part right here in the corner. But other than that, they fit really good. Looks super clean too. Now we're gonna go and do the other side.
Sheesh. This is about to fly on the freeway. These things dead ass sound like they're gonna break. Oh my god.
That's my bracelet. It's the shit that hit. There you go. Look.
Oh, there she is. These just fucking sound like they're gonna snap.
Alright, so we have both on now. Super clean. Up next is gonna be the lip. So I'm gonna go to my boy Gooch's house real quick because I need to get a jack so we can lift up the side. That way we could get under the car and screw the fucking lip on. So we have the jack now. Shout out to my boy Gooch. Now we're gonna get to installing the front lip. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so we just have it on right now, 3M'd, so that way we could get the screws on the side. We're gonna do the screws first, but we wanted to have the 3M on so that way it'll be easier for us to screw it on. Kind of look how it's gonna see when it's done. Sits pretty good. Obviously this is gonna go up once we screw in this side and this side. It's gonna look good. All right, so I have this side on. Just like, obviously it's not gonna sit like perfect because it is carbon. You can kind of see the 3M right there, but no big deal. But like, that's how it looks. We have this side on. Now we just need to put the 3M. It's like a stick right here. You just gotta pull that off. And then we're gonna drill and put a screw right here. So it can sit like this. And then with the 3M, once it's stuck to the bumper, it's gonna sit flush. So what we did, sorry for all the movement, we put a screw there, a screw here, like basically on each corner, and then one right there, one right here, another one right there, another one right there, and we just need the one on this side. We haven't put it on yet because we still have to put the 3M, but that's pretty much what you have to do. Yeah, that's pretty much what you have to do, so that way the lip stays on and stays secured. Because if you just put 3M around the outline of the bumper, it's guaranteed to fly off on the freeway. So we're finally done. This side came out way better. It sits super flush. He's lowering the car. Damn, look at that.
It's funny to settle too, because it looks like a monster truck.
For real. Super clean. Not bad for a carbon piece. The fitment is not bad either. Slightly gaps, but I mean, it's not, no carbon part is gonna be perfect. But it looks really good overall. So yeah, the total time that we took in general for everything was like 10 minutes for the mirror caps. And then we had to leave to my friend's house to go get the jack to lift up the car.
Shout out that nigga.
Yeah, shout out my boy Gooch.
We're winning.
Yeah, so and then on this we probably took like over an hour because we had to 3M it, then drill all the whole bumper all the way, then drill it, and then, you know, make sure everything, the fitment is pretty good and everything. But total, maybe like an hour and 30 minutes with everything included.
Shout out my boy for this double-sided tape.
Shout out
This
my
shit
boy
came
Gooch.
through.
Shout out my boy Gooch. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Fast boy's right there. He's gonna tune in next.
Downpipe next. Stay tuned. E30 mix.
Cheers.